Hello again, it is I, Jeremy Knowles, the Affordable Tutor. Today we're going to be looking at finding the percentages of numbers. Let's pull up our whiteboard here. So we're going to be looking at two separate problems today. We're going to find 80% of 200 and we're going to find 63% of 150. And there's two different methods that you can use to find the answer to this. You can set up a proportion, which is something that I like, or you can use multiplication with decimals, which is also a method I like. Depending on the case, one might be faster than the other. And what I always tell my students is use whichever method you're most comfortable with, whichever one makes the most sense to you logically. So if we look at the first problem, 80% of 200. All right, so I'm gonna set a proportion. So I'm gonna put 80 over 100, and that's gonna be equal to x over 200. X is going to be 80% of 200. We don't know what that number is. So what you're going to do next is cross multiply. 80 is going to multiply to 200, and 100 is going to multiply to x, which is going to give us 100x. Forgive my horrible handwriting. Equals 16,000. Okay. All right. And then we will divide both sides by 100. And for the sake of simplicity, I will spare you doing the actual division. We'll just go straight to the answer. You can double check this on a calculator if you want to. The answer is going to be 160. So 80% of 200 is 160. Now, if we look at the second problem, 63% of 150. Well, if you turn the percentage into a decimal, then you can just multiply. And you're going to get that answer. So to change 63% to a decimal, if you watched my earlier video, you know how to do that. We're just going to move the decimal point over to the left 2 times and get 0.63. So now we're going to multiply, and that, let's see, 150 times 3 is going to be 450. Again, I'm kind of cutting corners just for the sake of time. 150 times 6 is going to be 9,000. Going to add this together, and we're going to get 9,450. All right. But you guys know that we're not done yet because we've got the 2 decimal places up top. So we're going to move the decimal over to the left twice. And so it turns out that 63% of 150 is 94.5. Alrighty, guys. So that's all there is to it. Again, use whatever method you're most comfortable with. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Remember, I do Zoom tutoring sessions for $20 an hour, so direct message me if that's something that you want to get set up. Remember, school's not easy for everyone, but everyone does deserve a chance to succeed. Please be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.